So this is the CSS battle number 1, battle 1, simple square. Let's complete it. So for this what we need, I need first a style, and in the style I need to style the body background, and I will copy the background from here and paste it, and here, that's it. Now the body is matching, then I need one div, right? Only one div will work, and nothing we need to put inside it. And for that div we need background color of this second color, and then we need width and height. Width it is around 200, and height also 200. Why? Yes. What, that body is having some margin, let me remove that. Margin 0. That's it, I think. Let me check the difference. Yeah, difference is good. Submit it. And with that we have completed with 100% match our first level. And let me reduce the code so that we might get some more points. This is not needed, but this is like, to get more point we need to do this, and I will make it A is not working, then let me try B. But they work with, like, when I do position absolute, so I think I need div because they are not display what we call block elements. So let's just go with div. I am not going to put some time in here, but I will remove that closing tag for div. It will work with that also. Yes. Now everything is looking good, and let me submit it again. We had 691, but my highest score is 783.